Hi YouTube, this is Leah and this is my first video ever on this channel, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing slash a little bit of swatching of the Morphe palette. So if you guys want to see what happens next, keep watching. I feel like everybody has this palette already because I think there's like a 35C, but you know, I bought this palette because for my makeup collection I barely have any like bright colored palettes. Like I'm about to show you guys what I have right now. So I have this Revlon Redemption Eyeshadow Palette Iconic 3. Hope you guys can see that. It's very old. I use this like for most of the time, honestly. And then my aunt, she bought me this eyeshadow palette from like how many Christmases ago. It's Sephora Makeup Academy palette. I'm pretty sure this was my first like makeup thing. And holy, it's not okay. Oh, there we go. And I recently just bought the Cleo Cosmetics glitter palette. Okay, that just fell out. Anyway, so here's what it looks like. Let me know if you guys want any swatches on that one. Okay, so here's the box right here, and I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you guys the palette. This looks nice. Okay, so here's the packaging. Looks like this. Has a nice burgundy red color on the sides, on the front. 35B, Morphe. 35 shades to change the on the back it says 35 shades to change your world, and I truly believe that. Okay, so let's get this thing open. All right. Ooh, this is nice. So here's the first look. I hope you guys can see that. It's so pretty. Let's get this open. Ooh, guys. Guys. Look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm honestly going to swatch some of them because my phone wants to be done. So I'm going to swatch this blue one right here. Okay, let's get this for you guys. Ooh. I feel like it's very creamy. Get a little bit more. Here you go. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's try a different one. I'm going to try this purple one right here next. Ooh. Definitely got some on the blue. This is really pretty. Here's the purple one next to the blue. So my next video for you guys is going to be the swatch video. I know I said in the beginning I was going to do the swatch video now, but I'm going to do it in the next one. So comment, like, share, subscribe, you know, all of that. You know, I hope I can, you know, just like come closer to you guys and get to know you guys, because honestly I like getting to know new people. So do all of that, and I'll see you guys in my next video.